Welcome to Metallurgical Academy, friends. Today we would like to solve a problem based on system of equation. For finding the system of equations, we need to follow three simple steps, friends. The first one is write down the given equations into the matrix form. Equations will be given, that equations need to be written in the matrix form. Then we need to check the determinant of the matrix A. If the determinant of the matrix A was not 0, then the system will have a unique solution, friends. If the determinant of A is equal to 0, then we have two kinds of solutions we may get. There is a chance of two kind of solution. The first one is independent solution and second one is no solution. If det A is equal to 0 and det AB also 0, then we have infinite number of solutions, friends. If det A is equals to 0 and det AB not equals to 0, then the system will have no solution. Like this, we have another kind of question will be asked in this system of equations, friends. That is, we need to find the number of linearly independent solutions of this system. For finding number of linearly independent of the system, we need to do this number of rows minus rank of the matrix. For this, we need to have a square matrix to find the number of independent solutions. It is only possible for square matrices only. Coming to the question, we have a small question here. The following system of equations will have a unique solution or not. We need to check whether the system have a unique solution or not. For having unique solution, det should not be equals to 0. If det is equal to 0, then it will not have a unique solution, friends. So coming to first step, you need to write down the given equations into the matrix form. So write down the matrix form. X is equal to 1, y is 1, z 1. Here you need to write the first equation into the first row. X, y, z is equal to 1, 1, 1. And second equation into the second row. X having 1, 2, 3. Right component 1, 2, 3. Here third equation will have 1, 4, 7. Right 1, 4, 7. A was completed. And coming to the B was after the equal to marks, that will comes into the B matrix 3, 4, 6. Right, there is 3 into 3 rows, 3, 4, 6. A was completed and B was completed. Given matrix was written. For AB matrix, you need to write down the B next to the A. So first write down A matrix. Next to it, you need to write B matrix. This is AB matrix. And we have a two 3 by 3 matrices here. One is having this A and second one having from here to here. This also a 3 by 3 matrix. For finding AB, we need to do this for this 3 by 3 matrix and this 3 by 3 matrix. This is 1 3 by 3 and this is 1 3 by 3. For finding det, we have a simple trick that first write down the given matrices as it is A matrix, and next to it you need to write down the first two columns as it is here 1 1 1 2 1 4. Next from here to here you need to you need to do cross product 1 into 1 1 into 1 into 4 4. So write down 4 here plus 1 into 3 3 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 2 2 2 into 7 14. Next minus. Next here to here 1 into 2 2 2 into 1 1 2 into 1 2. Next 4 into 3 12 12 into 1 12 plus 12 plus 7 into 1 1 7 into 1 7 is equal to 0. Here the det of the matrix was 21 minus 21 0. So it will not have a unique solution, friends. There is a chance of having independent solution or number of or no solution. For that you need to check A, B. If these both 2 by 3 by 3 matrices are 0 for these two 3 by 3 matrices, if it is not 0 then no solution. If it is 0 for two 3 by 3 matrices, then it have a infinite number of solutions. We have another do yourself question, friends. Here the following system of equations will not have unique solution for j is equal to. Question was given here, for what value of j this system will not have a unique solution. You need to comment the answer, friends. Thank you for watching Metallurgical Academy.